Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be reviewing the original Elite version 1 disruptor versus the newer Elite 2.0 Commander. Now the thing is, the stock will not help at all. I just like having it to stabilize my shot. This don't have a butt stock or anything, nor a barrel attachment. I was planning on seeing if a barrel would help with any way at all, but we're going to tell which one shoots farther and which one's more accurate. This one don't have a sight. You can go off of the little groove and just hope you hit, but this one has a sight, as you can see. There you go, there you go. That's what the sight looks like. And it's just, yeah. Has a bigger slide than this one though. This one has a rounded off grip, so that means it has extra room for your hand. But if you were to try to drop it, you would have a better chance of grabbing it. But this one here, it don't have that, so if you were to drop it, it's gone. They both hold 6 darts, and to make it fair, only reason I have that is to stabilize my shot. But we'll shoot each of them, see how far they go. First, we'll start off with the Elite 1.0, and we'll see how far it shoots. Oh, might need to prime it. Give me 1 second. Let me prime this. Okay, we got it primed now. I'm going to be aiming at, actually, I'll aim at the trampoline. Butterfly. I'm going to aim at the trampoline right there and see how far it goes. That flew pretty true. So right in that area there. It went pretty far. We'll measure the distance afterwards. Now, the Elite 2.0 Commander. No way. That could have been a fluke. I'm going to fire all 6 darts. One more. So I think we already have our winner on strength-wise. Just because it wins in strength, don't mean it always wins. It's going to be hard to tell which one's shooting farther. Yeah, I believe the disruptor wins. I'll let y'all see where this dart hits. I don't know why it didn't fire. I'll let y'all see though. So, I've seen where most of the darts hit. I should have just fired one. It would make things a lot more simpler. And they're the same color. But thing is, the Commander Elite 2.0, which you would think is stronger, was landing about right here. That was the first shot. That was the second, third, fourth, fifth is over there, and sixth is one of them 3. So very short, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there, and that was the Elite 1.0. So, yeah, pretty crazy. I actually thought the 2.0 would beat it. There's a rocket ball. That's from my previous video. There's another one. I will be uploading those fishing videos soon, but it takes a little while for them. Anyways, that's very surprising to me. The Commander was not stronger than the original. The original is the winner. Just because it's new, don't always mean it's better. kind of sad though. That don't mean I don't like it. It's still, this one went more off of, what do you call it? Accessory wise. Because I mean, you got a top rail, bottom rail, another bottom rail, barrel, stock. So yeah, that was more for attachments. This one though, just better. Sorry to say it, but now if you're going for a gun that you would just choose,